We so Africa, move them hips like Bambada. The weed is passing and you can hit it if you wanna. This dream ain't never gotta end, please keep your faith up.
Yo, what's going on, guys? A whole grand evening. I would love to present to you a really awesome special event that we got going on February 28th. It is our Planted Alchemist Community Garden Free Seed Exchange, 2nd annual. We did one last year, it was amazing. This year we're bringing it back. It is a free community event. It is a no substance event as well. It's children friendly. We have tons of prizes, free seeds for everybody, over 100 varieties and over 300 packets of seeds. Come on out, you're gonna love it. Shout out to all the great families and sponsors that to help us out for this event. We're gonna have all the information in the bottom. Yeah, send in y'all love and check it out. Check this video out.
If you wanted my love, if you wanted my love. Granted, we known each other for some time. It don't take a whole day to recognize sunshine. I'm like the rain in the summer, so we go together. At first you tried to play me out, I had to show you better. Better late than never, but I'm always on time. And that shit is of an essence, baby, please don't waste mine. Don't you put me to the wayside, back behind the base.
We do got some balm and walking stick kale. So come get some of these. There's quite a bit of seeds in here.
Life of a rapper, back on road when I lay you down. So let's make it last like a Keep Sweat track. Brown skin, lil nigga, but my heart jet black. And we so Africa, word to the motherland. I'm knowing you got it.
Always feel free to contact us with any questions. We'd love to just kind of help out, chat it up. Anything we don't know at all, we're still students, so don't think of us as like a master dart or whatever. No, we're just as learning. No matter how many years I'm in this, I'm just going to be a student. And so I'm grateful that I get to do both sides of this. And yeah, you know what I'm saying? It's just awesome. So.
We so Africa.